Hundreds evacuated as wildfires rage in Florida Panhandle. Firefighters in the Florida Panhandle have been battling wildfires that forced some 1,600 people to evacuate from their homes, and a stretch of Interstate 10 remained closed in both directions Thursday morning due to smoke, authorities said. This is an extremely dangerous and fast-moving wildfire situation that is evolving rapidly, so everyone in the affected area should follow directions from state and local officials, said Florida Agriculture Commissioner Nikki Fried. All residents and travelers should heed evacuation requests and closely monitor the media for updates on the wildfire and reopening of I-10 and local roads. A more than 575-acre fire in Walton County prompted about 500 people to evacuate. Authorities there said multiple structures were lost in the fire, which was 65% contained Thursday morning. Fried said about 33 structures have been damaged so far. Walton County Sheriff Michael Atkinson said during a Wednesday night news conference that those who were asked to leave their home but had no place to go were sent to South Walton High School. On Wednesday, some 1,100 people were asked to evacuate in neighboring Santa Rosa County due to a wildfire that broke out Monday afternoon. Fried said about 12 structures have been lost to the fire.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.